everyone, in today's video we're going to learn neutral nouns with ending of O. We have neutral nouns with ending of O that have an accent at the end of the word, but we're not going to do that today. For example, το βουνό, το φτερό, το γλυκό. The accent doesn't change and speaking them is very easy. Instead, we're going to do neutral nouns that have an accent on the second syllable from the end, το ρούχο, and then do not change an accent through the whole spoke. So, το ρούχο, which means the clothing as a subject, του ρούχου, of the clothing, possessive. As you can see, it does not drop the accent, the tonus. Το ρούχο, the clothing. Τα ρούχα, the clothings when they are subject. Των ρούχων, the clothings when they're possessive. Τα ρούχα, the clothings as an object. The accent does not change at all. Now let's see a neutral noun with ending of O that has the accent on the third syllable from the end where all the accents stop. And that's το θέατρο, the theater. Το θέατρο, του θεάτρου, the accent drops on one syllable down and goes on the second syllable from the end. So of the theater, του θεάτρου, το θέατρο, when the theater is an object, the accent goes back. Τα θέατρα, the theaters. Των θεάτρων, the accent drops again. Τα θέατρα, κάνα λάθος εδώ. The theaters, when they're an object. The only time the accent changes is in possessive, singular and plural, and it drops one syllable down. Now let's see a neutral noun with ending of O that has again the accent at the last syllable, at the third syllable from the end, which is where all the syllables stop. Το χαμόγελο, the smile. And as we're going to see through the whole word, the accent does not change. Το χαμόγελο, the smile as a subject. Του χαμόγελου, the smile as possessive. Το χαμόγελο, the smile as an object. Τα χαμόγελα, the smiles as object. Των χαμόγελων, the smiles as possessive. Τα χαμόγελα, the smiles as an object. Now let's see a couple of examples. Τώρα ας δούμε μερικά παραδείγματα. Το ρούχο είναι μικρό. The clothing is small. Του ρούχου, τα κουμπιά του ρούχου είναι ασημένια. The buttons of the clothing are silver. Το ρούχο is an object. Θα αγοράσω το ρούχο αυτό. I will buy this clothing. Τα ρούχα. Τα ρούχα στο πλυντήριο είναι καθαρά. The clothings in the washing machine or the clothes in the washing machine are clean. Των ρούχων, of the clothes. Οι ετικέτες των ρούχων αναγράφουν τις τιμές. The labels of the clothes are αναγράφουν, are signing, have as a sign the prices. They have the signs priced. Τα ρούχα, when they're an object. Δεν θα αγοράσω τα ρούχα από αυτό το μαγαζί. I will not buy the clothing from this shop. Το θέατρο, the theater. Το θέατρο χθες το βράδυ ήταν γεμάτο. The theater last night was full. Του θεάτρου, τα κοστούμια του θεάτρου είναι υπέροχα. The costumes, the clothings, the costumes of the theater are wonderful, of the theatrical play actually. Το θέατρο as an object. Αγαπώ το θέατρο. I love the theater. Τα θέατρα. Τα θέατρα στην Αθήνα είναι παραπάνω από ό,τι στο Λονδίνο. That's actually a subject, yes. The theaters in Athens are more than London. Των θεάτρων, of the theaters. Μπορούμε να πούμε οι αφίσες των θεάτρων είναι εντυπωσιακές. The posters of the theaters are impressive. Θέατρα as an object. Πηγαίνω στα θέατρα όλο το χειμώνα. I go to the theaters all winter, the whole winter. Το χαμόγελο, the smile. Το χαμόγελο είναι πάντα ευχάριστο. The smile is always pleasant. Του χαμόγελου. Είναι δύσκολο αυτό. That's a hard one, of the smile. Η ενέργεια του χαμόγελου μεταδίδεται. The energy of the smile is μεταδίδεται means it is contagious. Το χαμόγελο as an object. Αγαπώ το χαμόγελό σου. I love your smile. Τα χαμόγελα. Τα χαμόγελα των παιδιών με ενθαρρύνουν. The smiles of the children encourage me. Των χαμογέλων. Πάλι να πούμε οι ενέργειες των χαμογέλων. Όχι. Των χαμογέλων. Ας πούμε, οι ενέργειες των χαμογέλων είναι πάντα ευχάριστες. The energies of the smiles are always pleasant. Τα χαμόγελα as an object. Βλέπω πολλά χαμόγελα στο θέατρο. I see many smiles in the theater. Στο κοινό. In the audience. Thank you so much for watching this video of neutral nouns, guys. I hope it was useful for you, and if it was, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and until next time.